Alright guys, so we got this Jeep coming in right now. I just did that before. Show you guys what it looks like. This is going to be getting the Pro Comp, pretty much like a level lift. Not a full suspension lift, but still, actually no, you still get shocks for the rear. But check this one out. We'll do it before and after, and it's got some nice wheels coming on it too. Alright guys, we got this Jeep coming in. This is it before. You can send it in, Jeremy. Thank you. Alrighty guys, we just finished up this Jeep right behind us. This is a stock suspension Jeep. There's nothing, no lift or nothing in this guy. It's running 20x10, -24, Moto Metals. Gotta double check what those are. I think they're the M923s. I'll put the correct model tape underneath. And it's on some 33s, so check it. Setup's got Centennial Trail Hogs 33. Actually, these are 305 50 by 20, so a little bit wider than a 33, but no rub. Everything fits perfectly on it. Alright guys, so this last Jeep, this is the one that we were working on in the beginning of the video. We didn't get a chance to film it leaving, but here's a couple pictures of the little setup. It's running on some customer supplied 315 7017 train grippers, or actually they're called the Train Pro from Amp. And then the wheel setup on this guy is some 17x9 -12 XD 140s, finished off in gloss red. And obviously this Jeep has the full lift kit from Pro Comp. Hey guys, I thought we'd wrap the video up here in my room. That's the end of this guy, but we will be bringing you out more videos as soon as we get some fun setups coming in. It is coming into a little bit of the winter rush, so we will probably be doing a lot more winter wheel setups. But if you guys have any questions, please feel free to hit me in the comments or direct message. And if you guys like that video, make sure you guys hit that like button and hit that subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.